Step into the 2010 Dodge Challenger SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: rear window defroster, overhead console, ABS brakes, speed control, remote keyless entry, tachometer, radio, media center 130 CD MP3, rear seat center armrest, and front anti-roll bar. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.